In this lecture, we'll delve into the practical utility of Python's map function. The map function is an efficient tool for data transformation, and in this lecture and the associated hands-on, we'll build your intuition and understanding around its applications by taking you through various real-world scenarios as we have before in streaming log processing, genome pattern recognition, and stock price anomaly detection. The map function in Python is used to apply a specific function to each item of an iterable, like a list or a tuple, and it returns an iterable map object. The general syntax of the map function is map, the first argument being a function, and the second argument being the iterable to which that function needs to be applied. Let's consider a simple example where we square each number in a list. Here we have a list called numbers with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in it. Then we instantiate map. Then we have a variable called squared numbers, which is assigned a map object where the function is a lambda function, and the iterable is the list that we instantiated earlier. The map object is then converted to a list and printed to screen. In this case, the function is a lambda or anonymous function that accepts an input argument called x, squares it, and returns it. And the iterable to which it's applied is the list that we instantiated earlier called numbers. Let's now talk about the applications of the map function in real-world scenarios. Considering streaming log processing, the context here could be analyzing log files to extract information, where the application of the map function would be to process each log entry for specific data extraction or formatting. In genome pattern recognition, the context could be identifying patterns or mutations in genetic sequences, and the application of map could be to utilize it to transform genetic sequences for subsequent analysis. In stock price anomaly detection, the context could be identifying irregularities in stock price movements, the application being to employ map to compute changes in stock prices for said anomaly detection. Therefore, understanding and utilizing the map function is a step towards writing more efficient and Pythonic code, and we'll get into the hands-on coding session now to see how all of this comes into fruition in practice. See you shortly.